Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making hot Cheeto chicken wings. First we're going to go ahead and clean our meat. I've already cut them up. We're going to go ahead and clean them with some lime, vinegar, and some salt. I'm just going to go ahead and rub the chicken down with this mixture and kind of scrub them down with the lime slices. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and I'm going to rinse them off. And once I rinse my chicken off, I'm just going to go ahead and season it with some ippies. I'm also going to go ahead and add some powdered spices as well. There I added onion powder, lemon pepper, then Creole seasoning, and then paprika and garlic powder. And I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that all over the chicken and make sure every piece of chicken gets coated with all of the seasoning. And once that's done, guys, I'm then going to go ahead and start to deep fry the chicken. I went ahead and deep fried these on 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes because I like my wings extra crispy. And once the wings are done cooking, we're then going to go ahead and start to cover them in the Cheetos. So what I actually went ahead and did off of camera is I took my blender and I took some hot Cheetos and I just blended them until they became a fine powder. I also took a separate bowl and I put 1 egg, half a cup of hot sauce, and another half a cup of water, and I just mixed that together. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your cooked chicken wings, you're going to put it in that egg and hot sauce mixture, and then you're going to go ahead and pat the hot Cheetos crumbs onto the chicken wings and then put them on a baking sheet. Once you go ahead and put them on a baking sheet, you want to go ahead and put them in your oven at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. So here are the wings right before I went ahead and put them in the oven. They're all coated. Remember, at 375 degrees for only 15 minutes. Once they're done, they should look just like this. I just added some cheese on the side, guys. This is just regular nacho cheese that I bought at the store in a can. I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.